And I built this house with my...
Hey guys, here are my onions. They are 3 or 4 inches tall already, and I can see they have a set of 2 true leaves. So I'm going to thin them to stand 2 to 3 inches apart. The recommendation is 4 to 6 inches, but I kind of have to deal with the space that I have. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm just going to lose the dirt from the bottom, and this way I can grab every plant. I want to be very gentle because these onions already have their root system formed. As you can see here, they're delicate, very delicate. So I want to be gentle, and how do you handle it, it's very important. So while I keep working, I'm gonna put them in some water. So after I finished taking out all the seedlings, I noticed that this soil is very dry, and I think it's just because it's a very hot day and it's the middle of the day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep working on this soil, soften it a little bit, and get it ready for my onions to be transplanted in here. And here it is, how it looks after I transplant all of them. I'm gonna keep you posted about the progress of these onions, and if you like it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up.